Hi, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. I'm 43 and I love everything about beauty, hair products, makeup, skincare, everything. So I wanted to share with you and give some reviews on some products that I've been trying and share a few tips and ideas that I've come across. Absolutely no expert at any of this, and I have to apologise for the quality of the film. It's just done on an iPad, so the colour isn't always great and the sound's not. So if you like anything beauty, keep watching. Thanks then.
Not great video quality in here, I'm afraid. I'm in a bathroom, but I need to be somewhere that I can spray this stuff and wipe it up if I make a mess. So a few of you may notice I've had my hair, if you've watched previous videos, you'll have noticed I've had my hair colour changed. I'm normally quite a blonde and I had it dyed sort of an Albany red colour. And it's now growing out. I've just been on holiday and kept the hair in the sun quite a bit because I wanted it to lighten up a bit. But as you can see, the roots are growing through terribly and I have got quite grey hair anyway. So not only is the colour coming out, but the grey's coming through in some parts of my hair as well. So I can't go out looking like that. It looks like an absolute mess. Previously I've done another video using the blonde version of the L'Oreal Magic Retouch, but I've been and bought myself a couple of other shades. I've gone for a mahogany brown, which looks a bit gingery on the, or Albany on the tin, and then a dark blonde as well. So I'm going to have a little play about to see what works best and see if I can sort of sort this mess out. Right, so my hair's just freshly washed and I've put a bit of argan oil on it and a little bit of mousse, which I normally do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sort of work the colour into the hair. I'm going to do it in sections. So as you can see there, that is a really bad bit. It just looks ridiculous. So I'm going to put a bit on and then normally I just spray it on and leave it, but I'm actually going to work this in with my fingers a bit. Just to see, so you can see already that it's just covering it straight away. This is a really good colour match actually. This is the mahogany brown one. So then I'm just going to rub that in a bit with my fingers just to spread the colour over the rest of the hair. I just want it to cover a bit of this. So that is actually quite red. I'm going to try a bit of the dark blonde as well near the front, because the front is a little bit blonder still. So just very sparingly. Yeah, now that's not really touching it that much, so that might still be a little bit too blonde. But let's rub that in. Dulled it off a bit and you can see, look, the product's coming off on my fingers. This stuff sort of just brushes out and washes out. So that's that section, and then let's do a bit here. Oh my word, look at it. Dreadful. Now that area is a little bit redder still, so I'm going to go for the mahogany colour again. So that now is not looking too bad. Let's just pop a bit more on there. Just feel a bit, well, a lot of it's come up on my fingers. It's a bit dry, but rather than leaving great big stripes in my hair, I think I shall just go for the fact that it might feel a little bit dry. So if you've got greasy hair or greasy roots, that'll just dry it out a bit anyways. A little bit feels a bit like a dry shampoo, but probably not as dry as a dry shampoo. So look, there we go. Magic retouch, in fact.